In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the audio stretch feature in Wondershare Filmora. I'll be using the latest version 15, but this method also works in older versions of Filmora such as 14. First, I'll import a video from my folder and place it on the timeline. This clip is from one of my Affinity tutorials, so if you enjoy learning about Affinity, feel free to check out the other tutorials on my channel. Next, I'll import an audio track and add it to the timeline as well. As you can see, the audio is shorter than the video. To fix this, I'll use Filmora's audio stretch feature to automatically extend the audio so it matches the length of the video. We'll wait a few seconds for the process to finish. Once it's complete, you can see that the audio now matches the full length of the video perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.